Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to enable Vibrate for Approvals notifications on Google Drive. If you often use Google Drive for collaboration, you know how important it is to stay on top of approval requests. By turning on vibration for these alerts, you'll never miss an important notification again, even when your phone is on silent. Let's get started. First, go to your phone settings. This is where you can control app preferences and manage how notifications show up. Scroll through your list of apps and tap on Google Drive. Once you open it, you'll see several options for customizing how this app behaves on your device. Next, tap on Notifications. This is the section that defines how Google Drive sends you alerts. Inside, look for notification categories. These categories let you choose which specific types of alerts you want to adjust instead of changing all notifications at once. From there, tap on Approvals. This is the category for notifications related to file approvals, things like when someone requests your permission or needs you to review a document. Opening this section gives you more control over how those alerts reach you. The final step is to toggle on Vibrate. With this option enabled, anytime you get an approval-related notification from Google Drive, your phone will buzz to get your attention. This can be especially useful in meetings, busy environments, or whenever your ringtone is turned off. And that's it. You've just set up Vibrate for Approvals notifications on Google Drive. Now you'll receive a clear, physical reminder whenever someone needs your approval on an important file, ensuring you won't miss a request. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep exploring your notification settings. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in staying organized and responsive. Thanks for watching.